I greet you all wherever you are watching from. This is still your favorite program, Igbo Amaka, the spoken Igbo. Today we are going to be talking about Proverbs, that is Igbo Proverbs. In Igbo we call it Ilu Igbo, Ilu Igbo. So in Igbo, our people used to say, Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri okwu. Ụfọdụ a na-asịkwa ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eri ji. So what that means is that Proverbs is the ingredient or the oil which the Igbo man uses to embellish words. Proverbs is the oil the Igbo man uses to embellish words. If you are an Igbo man, or maybe you are speaking Igbo, and you are addressing a group of people, it is always interesting when you use Proverbs, that is Ilu Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na ijiri Ilu Igbo wee na-agwa ndị mmadụ okwu, ọ na-atọ ụtọ ọfụma ọfụma. So today we are going to be saying a lot of Proverbs so that some of us who do not know Proverbs can know these ones. Some of us who have not been speaking with Proverbs, you can learn to speak with Proverbs from today. Thank you so much. Sit back and enjoy this interesting session. Okay, here with me in the studio is Oma, Miss Oma. Yes, she will be translating all the Proverbs we will be dishing out today in English, so that you will be carried along.
Thank you very much. You're welcome to the program. Watch and enjoy it. Thank you.
Everything I'll be saying now will be in Igbo. Ndị Igbo na-asị na atụọrọ ọmara, ọmara atụọrọ ofeke, ofe isi n'ọfịa. So I begin now. Atụọrọ ọmara, ọmara atụọrọ ofeke, ofe isi n'ọfịa.
Give the wise a word of wisdom and he gets the point. Give same word to a fool and he makes a bigger fool out of himself.
Onye buoro chi ụzọ, ọgbagbu onwe ya n'ọsọ.
He who runs ahead of his spirit guides dies running. God's time is the best.
Wow. Mgbe onye ji teta ụra bụ ụtụtụ ya.
A person's dawn is whatever time he wakes up. God's time is the best.
Onye ndidi na-eri azụ ukpo.
Only a patient person gets to eat a fish caught by the hook. Good things comes to those who wait.
Anaghị akụ ụbọchị ọnụ ma chi ejighị.
You do not find fault with the day before night falls. Where there's hope, where there's life, there's hope.
Ejighị ụtụtụ ama njọ ahịa.
A trader does not count his losses based on early morning markets. Where there is life, there is hope.
Ihe mere onye ọzọ ka eji amụta ihe.
We live and learn from other people's experiences.
Anaghị echefu nwa gụtara ọkụ ma nri gee.
No one forgets a child that fetched the cooking fire when the food dawns. That is, let me use this illustration.
Okay.
When you want to cook and you need to fetch fire, wood or charcoals, okay, and you need help, it mustn't be your child. You can actually ask a neighbor child to help you get the charcoal from the neighborhood. And when the food dawns, you'll be expected to reward the child for his hard work, for offering you help. So one good turn deserves another.
Wow. Ọ naghị adị mma na nkịta richara nsị, eze ree ewu.
It is unjust to punish someone for others' sin or iniquity.
Okay, we are still doing well so far, but I'm sure you will not get this one. Why your BJ?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Wow.
I